If you've ever applied for government grants, whether you're a nonprofit, university, or public agency, you know how overwhelming it can get. Finding and matching the right grants takes a lot of time, involves a ton of detail, and unfortunately can lead to missed opportunities when it's done manually. This is exactly why today I'm going to show you how you can build an AI agent on StackAI that will automate it all. It matches your organization and project to the best government grant, summarizes key details, and delivers a professional report in seconds. So let's get started. First, you need to log into StackAI, click Create New Project, and open the Workflow Builder. You can name your agent, and then you will see the StackAI canvas with free pre-set up nodes, your input, your LLM, and your output. We're gonna build on top of them. In this particular use case, there's a lot of key details that I want my agent to know and grasp for sure. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create an input node for each of those details. For instance, organization name, type, size, project, project description, budget, impact area, timing, compliance requirements, everything you want your agent to know to match you to the right funding opportunities. Also, you want to make sure that all of your input nodes are connected to your AI model. And now let's choose our model and provider. I'll go with OpenAI GPT-5. The goal of this AI model is to analyze the applicant's profile as well as available grants, then rank and score them, summarize key details, deadlines, funding, compliance, flag any issues, and provide a concise, actionable shortlist of the best matching grants. And then in the prompt section, you want to reference all of your input nodes, so the AI agent knows exactly where to look. So that's it when it comes to your company and project information. But what about the government grants? So here there are two options. You can either include an actual knowledge base, if you have one, in your AI model, or you can use a web search tool and instruct the agent to look on websites such as Grants.gov. The next step is going to be to add a template node right after your LLM node and add another node for action, which will basically take all of the information that was formatted according to Grant Match Report template and put it into a separate Google Doc. This step will allow you to edit and share the fully formatted report, which is perfect for collaboration or even submission right away. So all that's left to do is make sure that all the nodes are connected, then click Publish, go to Export, choose Form as your output, and that's it. You can share the link to this grant matching agent with anyone in your organization, and you've got yourself an absolutely custom end-to-end grant matching system built on StackAI in less than 3 minutes.